Hi everyone, I am Shaukat. Today I am going to talk about making mistake. When people start to learn English, people have very fear making mistake. It is very relevant topic because if you speak your mother tongue, you don't consider making mistake. If you speak any other state language like Tamil, Kannada, Hindi, you don't consider making mistake. But when people start to learn English, people have more fear making mistake. Most of the people, they want speak perfect English. People do, when they start to speak English, people don't want make mistake. People want to speak English without mistake. It is very funny matter. If we learn driving, we don't we make mistake, we will make mistake. And if we learn any other skill, don't we make mistake, we will make mistake. The same when we learn any other language or English language, we will make mistake. My opinion, we can make more mistake. And we try to correct our mistake. We are human being. We are not angels. When we learn anything, we will make mistake. But if we keep our practice, we can reduce our mistake. Maybe the future we can we can speak very perfect English. The future without any mistake we can speak. But if we afraid to practice, how can we speak perfect English? It is not possible. My opinion, mistake can lead to a better speaker. Mistake can lead to a better speaker if we keep practice. But if we fear mistake, we can't speak English. That's why you should speak with others. Maybe some people criticize you, some people they will tell you you can't speak English, you make more mistake. You don't consider them because anyone doesn't perfect. All are make mistake. When they learn any new skill, that time all are make mistake, not only English. The same when we start to learn English, we will make mistake. But if we keep our practice, we will speak very good English the future. But we have to keep our practice. Okay, we will meet again. Thank you so much. Bye.